I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Paul. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. So happy to be here with you and everyone. And you?
I'm very good, thank you. Ready for another fun episode.
Me too. Before we start, we want to say thank you for listening. Please, if you like our channel, share it with your friends.
Yes, and subscribe and give us a like. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, so today's topic is a fun one. We're going to talk about things we like to do.
Ah, a great topic. In English, a common question is, what do you like to do?
Yes, it's a perfect question to get to know someone. So, Paul, what do you like to do?
That's a good question. I like many things. For example, I like to read.
Oh, nice. To say you like something, you can say, I like to, and then the action. So, I like to read. Perfect, Paul.
Exactly. I like to read. Or you can also say, I like reading. Both are correct.
Yes, I like to read or I like reading. Very good. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like storybooks, fun stories. And you, Emily? Do you like to read?
I do. I like to read a lot. I like reading in the morning with my coffee. It's so relaxing.
Ah, coffee and a book. A perfect morning. So listeners, you can say, I like to read, or I like reading. What about other things, Emily? What else do you like to do?
Well, I really like to walk in the park. The trees, the flowers, it's beautiful.
Walking is great. So you say, I like to walk. Good. Do you walk every day?
I try to. Not every day, but maybe 3 times a week. It makes me happy.
That's wonderful. Being happy is important. We can use another word for like. We can say enjoy. For example, I enjoy walking in the park.
Oh, yes. Enjoy is a great word. It sounds a little stronger, like you really, really like it. I enjoy walking.
Exactly. With enjoy, we usually use the action with ing at the end. So, I enjoy reading. I enjoy walking.
That's a great tip, Paul. So I can say, I enjoy drinking coffee in the morning.
Perfect. Yes. Wow, your morning sounds very relaxing, Emily.
It is. What about you, Paul? What do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy cooking.
Really? Wow. I am not a good cook.
It's fun. I enjoy making pasta. It's easy and so delicious.
Pasta. I enjoy eating pasta.
See, we all have something we enjoy. So, to our listeners, you can say, I like cooking or I enjoy cooking.
What do you cook, Paul? You said pasta. Is it your favorite?
Yes, I think so. I enjoy making a simple tomato sauce. It's very good.
That sounds delicious. Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Of course, I would enjoy that. What about music, Emily? Do you like to listen to music?
Oh, I love music. See? We have like, enjoy, and now love. Love is very strong.
Yes, I love music. It means you like it very, very much.
Exactly. I love listening to pop music. It makes me want to dance.
I can imagine. I love music too. I love listening to jazz. It's very relaxing.
Ah, jazz is nice. So for our listeners, you can say, I love and the thing. I love music. Or I love listening to music.
Yes, it's easy. I love dogs. I love chocolate. I love weekends.
Oh, I definitely love weekends. Who doesn't?
True, weekends are the best. What do you like to do on weekends, Emily?
On weekends, I like to watch movies. I love going to the cinema or just watching a movie at home.
Movies are great. So you say, I like to watch movies. What kind of movies do you love?
I love funny movies, comedies. They make me laugh.
Laughing is good. I enjoy funny movies too. But I also like action movies, with cars and lots of adventure.
Oh, action movies are exciting. My brother loves action movies.
So we can say, I like comedies or I love action movies. It's a good way to talk about what you watch.
Yes. What about sports, Paul? Do you like to play sports?
I do. I like to play football. It's a lot of fun to play with friends.
Football. Wow. Are you good?
I am okay. I enjoy playing. That's the important part.
That is the most important part. So you can say, I like to play football. Or, I enjoy playing football.
Correct. And you, Emily, do you like sports?
I don't play sports very much, but I like to watch tennis on TV.
Ah, watching sports is fun too. So, a question for our listeners. Do you like to play sports or watch sports?
That's a great question for them. So, I can say, I don't like to play sports. To make it negative, we just add don't.
Yes, exactly. I like to play football. The negative is I don't like to play football.
Simple. I like coffee. I don't like tea.
Perfect example. I like tea, though.
I know. So, we have talked about reading, walking, cooking, music, movies, and sports. Wow, we like a lot of things.
We do. What about spending time with people? Do you enjoy that?
Of course, I love spending time with my family and friends.
Me too. It's very important. So you can say, I love spending time with my family.
Yes, on the weekend, I like to visit my parents. We talk and have lunch together. It's very nice.
That sounds lovely. I like to meet my friends for coffee. We talk and laugh a lot.
I like to meet my friends. That's a great sentence. It's a common activity.
It is. So let's review a little. We have some key phrases. I like to.
I enjoy.
I love.
And for the negative, I don't like.
Perfect. And we can use an action or a verb in two ways. For example, I like to read, or I like reading.
Yes, that's a very useful tip. Both are correct and people will understand you perfectly.
Let's think of more examples. What about animals? Emily, do you like animals?
I love animals. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
A cat! I love cats. I don't have a pet, but I like them a lot.
Luna is very sweet. I enjoy playing with her. She is very funny.
Aw, that's nice. So, I enjoy playing with my cat. A perfect sentence.
What about traveling, Paul? Do you like to travel?
Oh, I love to travel. Seeing new places is amazing.
Me too. I love traveling. Where do you like to travel?
I like to go to the beach. The sun, the water, it's so relaxing.
I agree. I love the beach. I also enjoy visiting big cities. There is so much to see and do.
Yes, cities are exciting. So, our listeners can say, I like to travel. Or they can be more specific. I like to go to the beach. Or I like visiting new cities.
Exactly. It's good to add details. It makes the conversation more interesting.
True. What is a place you would love to visit, Emily?
I would love to visit Italy for the food.
The pasta, I understand. I would love to visit Japan. I think it's a very beautiful country.
Oh, Japan is amazing. A friend of mine went there and she loved it.
So we can also talk about things we want to do in the future. I would love to visit.
Yes, that's a great phrase for dreams and future plans. I would love to learn to play the guitar.
Oh, would you? That's cool.
Yes, I think so. It's difficult, but I would love to learn. What about you? Is there something you would love to learn?
I would love to learn how to speak Spanish. It's a beautiful language.
It is. So, I would love to learn Spanish. This is a fantastic way to talk about your goals.
Yes, our listeners can think about what they would love to do or learn.
It's a great exercise. What do you like to do in the evenings, Paul, after work?
In the evenings, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch TV series.
Me too. I enjoy watching a good series before I go to sleep.
It's a nice way to end the day. I also like to listen to podcasts.
Oh, really? Any specific podcast?
Well, I hear Mr. English Channel is very good.
I hear that too. So, to our listeners, you can say, I like to listen to podcasts. We hope you do.
We do. Okay, let's think about another topic. What about shopping? Do you like shopping, Emily?
That's an interesting question. I don't love shopping for clothes. It can be tiring.
I agree. So you can say, I don't really like shopping for clothes.
Yes, exactly. But I do like shopping for books. I can spend hours in a bookstore.
Ah, that's different. I understand that. I like shopping for food, going to the supermarket and choosing fresh vegetables and fruits.
Oh, that's nice. It's part of the cooking experience you enjoy so much.
Exactly. It's all connected.
So let's give our listeners a little challenge, Paul.
Okay, I like challenges. What is it?
Let's try to make sentences about a person named Alex. We can say what Alex likes and doesn't like.
Great idea. I'll start. Alex likes to wake up early.
Okay. And Alex loves drinking orange juice for breakfast.
Good one. Alex doesn't like coffee.
In the evening, Alex loves to cook dinner.
But he doesn't like washing the dishes.
Nobody likes washing the dishes. This is a great exercise. Our listeners can do this too. They can write about a friend, a family member, or even themselves.
Yes, it's a very good way to practice. Use
likes, enjoys, loves, and doesn't like.
Let's talk about seasons. Do you have a favorite season, Paul?
Oh, yes. I love summer. I like the long, sunny days.
Summer is great. I like summer too, but I think I love autumn. I love the colors of the trees. Red, yellow, orange.
Autumn is beautiful. So, I love summer. I love autumn. You can also talk about the weather you like. For example, I like sunny days.
And I don't like rainy days.
Some people like rainy days. They enjoy staying at home with a book and a cup of tea.
That's true. I enjoy that too sometimes. So it's okay to like different things.
Of course, that's what makes people interesting.
Let's summarize one more time the key phrases for our listeners, because this is very important.
Good idea. The most common way to say you like something is
I like. So, I like pizza. Or, I like to read.
and if you want to say it a little stronger,
You can say, I enjoy. And remember to use the verb with ing. I enjoy reading.
and for something you like very, very much,
You say, I love. I love my family. I love learning English.
Yes, that's a great one. And for the negative?
I don't like cold weather.
Fantastic. And we also learned how to talk about our dreams for the future.
Yes, I would love to travel the world.
These are really useful phrases. You can use them every day in many different conversations.
They really are, and it's a great way to start a conversation with a new friend. Just ask, what do you like to do?
Exactly. And then you can listen and find things you have in common.
Yes, maybe you both like the same kind of music or movies.
It's a perfect way to connect with people. Wow, Emily, we talked about so many things we like to do.
We did. It was a fun conversation. I feel like I know you even better now, Paul.
Me too, Emily. It was great.
I think our listeners now have many tools to talk about what they like.
I think so too. Practice is key. Try to use these phrases this week. Talk to a friend or just practice by yourself.
Yes, that's the best advice. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today. This was so much fun.
It really was. Thank you for the great conversation, Emily.
Thank you, Paul. And a big thank you to all of you for listening to us today on Mr. English Channel.
We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episodes.
Yes, and please share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
And we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what do you like to do?
We would love to read your answers. It will be great to know more about our listeners.
Definitely. Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now. Keep practicing.